Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the could not find or load main class error in Java. First, make sure your class name is exactly the same as your file name. Java is case sensitive, so even small differences will cause this error. Second, check your JDK path and make sure it is added correctly to your system environment variables. First, open File Explorer and go to the drive where Java is installed. Inside the Java folder, you will see a folder that starts with JDK followed by the version number or similar. Open that JDK folder, then open the bin folder inside it. Now, click on the address bar at the top of File Explorer and copy the full path. Next, click on the Windows search and type Environment Variables. Click on the Edit System Environment Variables button. Under System Variables, scroll down and find the variable named Path. Select it and click Edit. In the new window, click New and paste the JDK bin path you copied earlier. Make sure it is added as a separate entry. Then click OK on all open windows to save the changes. After this, close and reopen your terminal or restart Visual Studio Code so the changes take effect. This allows your system to recognize Java commands from any folder. These steps should fix the error in most cases. Thanks for watching.